Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to do an intro, so here we are with the voiceover. Today I will be using purple shampoo on the red portions of my hair and the not red portions, but the main focus of today is red hair being toned. So this is the before and me wetting my hair. The purple shampoo I'm using today is Shimmer Lights, very popular. As you can see, it looks so silky and pigmented. And then you'll see I'm also going to add some of my purple drops that I have right here. You're supposed to put them in conditioner, but I went all in and just put them right on my head. So I saturated my head pretty good. You can see me adding even more. I really wanted there to be some type of effect when this is all done. So I went ahead and put that little hair cap on and left it on for an hour and a half. And I'll show you guys the end results. Alright guys, I have to hurry up and film this before the sun goes down. I did want to straighten my hair, but then I was like, no, I'm just going to leave it how it is. Here is the results. Check it out. Okay, so it's not like the biggest change, but this is actually super pretty. So some areas of the red, it made more like a purplish red or like purplish pink. I also believe it caused the red to kind of bleed into other parts of my hair. Like that is like a really pretty pink color, and then it blends up into the red like like an ombre almost. And then the blonde parts of my hair, some of it is like a really pale lavender shade. I left the product on for an hour and a half. I was only going to do an hour, but the time kind of got away from me. What else is new? And now I have this, and I like it. It's really pretty. It's a very subtle change, but it's definitely a positive one in my eyes. I just think it looks really cool. Just like the kind of mixing of colors, and the purple definitely did do a little something. So, but this beautiful little clip is from Seasonal Accents on Etsy. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and if you've been experimenting with purple shampoo at all, or you have other hair ideas for me, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.